For homeowners in Redmond, Washington, first impressions start right at the front door. Your entry door isn't just the gateway to your home, it's a vital part of your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If your door is aging, warped, or drafty, replacing it with a high-quality, professionally installed model can offer long-lasting rewards. From weather resistance to modern design and improved insulation, installing new entry doors in Redmond homes is a smart upgrade that enhances comfort, beauty, and value. Here are the top benefits that make this investment worthwhile. Improved energy efficiency for Redmond's climate. Redmond's Pacific Northwest climate brings a mix of chilly winters, rainy springs, and warm summer days. Older or poorly fitted doors often allow air leaks that force your heating and cooling system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Modern entry doors are built with energy-efficient cores, multi-layer insulation, and weather stripping that seal tightly to keep your indoor temperature stable year-round. Materials such as fiberglass and steel doors with foam insulation dramatically reduce heat transfer, preventing drafts during the damp, cold months and keeping interiors cooler in summer. By upgrading your entry door, you'll not only save on utility costs but also enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient living space. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Security is one of the most important considerations for any Redmond homeowner. New entry doors are designed with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials that significantly boost your home's protection. Whether you choose a solid steel door for durability or a fiberglass model with a reinforced core, today's entry doors combine beauty with robust construction. Many also support smart lock technology, allowing keyless entry or remote access for added convenience and control. A professionally installed door ensures every hinge, strike plate, and frame is perfectly aligned, eliminating vulnerabilities and maximizing your family's safety. Elevated curb appeal and home value. Your entry door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice. A fresh, stylish door can completely transform your home's exterior, giving it personality and visual balance. Redmond's neighborhoods feature a variety of home styles, from craftsman and colonial to sleek contemporary designs. With custom colors, glass inserts, paneling, and hardware finishes, you can choose a door that complements your home's architecture and expresses your style. According to real estate experts, a new entry door offers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, of any exterior home improvement. It boosts curb appeal instantly and signals to buyers that your home is well maintained and energy efficient. Durability and weather resistance. Redmond's frequent rain and moisture can cause traditional wooden doors to warp, crack, or rot over time. Modern entry doors, however, are designed to withstand the elements. Materials like fiberglass and steel resist moisture absorption, corrosion, and fading, even in damp conditions. Many also feature protective coatings and advanced finishes that preserve their beauty with minimal maintenance. That means you won't have to worry about sanding, repainting, or replacing your door prematurely, saving you both time and money. Noise reduction and better indoor comfort. If you live near a busy street or an active neighborhood, replacing your entry door can make a noticeable difference in noise control. Insulated, tightly sealed doors create a sound barrier that helps block outside noise and maintain a peaceful indoor environment. This same insulation also prevents air infiltration, improving your home's overall comfort, a small change that can make daily life in Redmond much more enjoyable. Low maintenance and lasting beauty. New entry doors are engineered for long-term performance with minimal upkeep. Fiberglass doors, in particular, offer the look of real wood without the maintenance. They don't swell, crack, or peel. With durable finishes and fade-resistant coatings, your new door will maintain its vibrant appearance for years, even with Redmond's fluctuating weather. Smart upgrade for every Redmond home. Replacing your old entry door may seem like a small improvement, but it delivers big rewards, from energy savings and increased security to enhanced curb appeal and property value. For homeowners in Redmond, where weather and design matter equally, Investing in a professionally installed, high-quality entry door ensures your home stays comfortable, stylish, and secure in every season. It's not just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's future.